Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Cooking with Nads. I'm in Dubai and it can get extremely brutally hot out here, so what better thing to make than frozen strawberry lemonade to quench our thirst and absolutely cool off. My daughter loves strawberries, it's her favorite fruit, so thought I'd make her happy once she gets back from art class today. If you like my video, then give it a big thumbs up, share it, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Let's get to the recipe.
4 ingredients is all you're going to need for this frozen drink. 400 grams of frozen strawberries, a cup of lemon juice, half to 3/4 cup of water, half cup sugar. Optional for decoration purposes, a few mint sprigs, a lemon wheel, and fresh strawberry. Let's start by squeezing out 1 cup of lemon juice. It's important to use freshly squeezed juice for obtaining the best flavor for this refreshing drink. You can adjust the amount of lemon juice and sugar based on how sour or sweet you prefer your drink to be. So about 3½ lemons later, it appears that we have about 1 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Let's take a quick pour and check. And there you can see we have exactly 1 cup of lemon juice. So at this point, let's go get our strawberries and ensure that they're thoroughly frozen and not thawed, or the drink won't be as thick. Let's take just a couple of seconds to rim the glasses for a classy restaurant touch. All you need to do is dip the rim in some water and then twist the glass rim into some granulated sugar. You can also choose to use colored sugar or salt. And there we go. It's rimmed, and we can do the same for the other glass. Going back to our frozen strawberries, add them to a blender. I'm using a smoothie maker here, but a blender works just as well. Add the sugar and the fresh lemon juice with about half a cup of water. You can then go ahead and blend and verify the desired thickness or sweetness or how tangy you like it with a taste test. Now, if you prefer the simple strawberry lemonade version and not the slushy frozen one, you can simply use fresh strawberries with the green stem off, and you can use cold water or add ice once it's done for a cold, refreshing strawberry lemonade instead. So here our 4 ingredients have nicely blended. And at this point, you can check the consistency of the frozen strawberry lemonade. It looks just right, nice and thick. You can go ahead and do a taste test at this point and adjust the lemon juice or sugar depending on how sweet and sour you desire it. So this recipe just takes a few minutes and we're ready to serve in our sugar-rimmed glasses. I would recommend completing the look with the lemon wheel, mint sprigs, and strawberry. So we're ready to pour out our frozen strawberry lemonade into our sugar-rimmed glasses. And there we go. We're ready to decorate the glasses and ready to serve nice and cold.
Okay, well, there we have it. Frozen strawberry lemonade, a perfect way to quench our thirst in the heat of Dubai. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please try out the recipe, like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye.